latest updates, subscribe to News 9.
Hello, you are watching News 9 Digital with me, Amrita, and I'm going to be talking about how much does a COVID-19 vaccine cost. Now, we have spoken extensively about how a COVID vaccine might be developed, who are developing it, and what stages they are currently in. But what would be the cost of this COVID-19 vaccine which the world awaits with literal bated breath? Now, the United States is said to have struck a $2 billion deal with Pfizer and BioNTech for COVID-19 vaccine, and it is said to have set a benchmark for the entire world of how much a COVID-19 vaccine might cost. The deal is enough to vaccinate around 50 million Americans, and the United States government has agreed to purchase 100 million doses of these vaccines. This is what one official had to say about the cost of the COVID-19 vaccine.
The average price for a flu vaccine is around $40. It looks good with that comparison. It's well within the ballpark of reasonableness.
Now, the United States plans to deliver COVID-19 vaccine from Pfizer and BioNTech at the cost of $40 per shot. Now, the government plans to buy this particular vaccine at $39 for 2-dose treatment, and one COVID-19 vaccine or one COVID-19 vaccine dose or a treatment would amount up to $19.50. So what does this mean in Indian rupees? The cost of the 2-dose treatment of COVID-19 vaccine would be around 2,990 rupees in India, and for one it would be half of that price. Now, Pfizer and BioNTech has said that they will not collect a payment at this moment, and that they will collect the payment once they find out that these vaccine candidates that they are developing are safe and they show the efficiency and safety of the vaccine in certain clinical trials. Now, the United States has also set up a deal with AstraZeneca to provide 300 million doses of the vaccine it is developing in collaboration with Oxford University. However, there is a catch to all of this. There is no guarantee that the companies and the universities that the COVID-19 vaccine is being developed by will actually be successful in the near future. Now, what does this mean for India, and how much would a COVID-19 vaccine cost right here in India? Now, the Serum Institute CEO Adar Poonawalla says that a COVID-19 vaccine in India would be priced below 1,000 rupees, and that he gives no guarantee of it, but that is the estimated cost that Poonawalla suggests for now. Now, Serum Institute has struck a deal with AstraZeneca and Oxford University to manufacture COVID-19 vaccine that they are developing in large doses. They also plan to provide these vaccine doses to other low-income and middle-income countries as well. Now, the United States government has set this price range for a COVID-19 vaccine to ensure that pressure is mounted on all other global companies in the race to provide a vaccine that they cap their prices for the vaccine as well at reasonable ranges, and that they do not misuse this opportunity of a pandemic and a crisis to make profits. As per reports too, the companies like AstraZeneca, Pfizer, BioNTech will still be able to make profits, around 60 to 40% of profits from the sales of these COVID-19 vaccines at the rate proposed by the United States government. So all said and done, we can only hope right now that a vaccine would be available at the latest. According to WHO and several other experts, the vaccine, COVID-19 vaccine, will be available latest by 2021. You can leave your opinion in the comment section down below of what you think of the COVID-19 vaccine costs in India. Also, like, share and subscribe to News 9 Digital.